Because if it is the best and the most beautiful and the most unique that Allah has created, insan, human beings, then it will take a lot to understand it. That's why the health industry, and I call it an industry, the health business, it's a big business. The health business in America is one of the biggest business. And it should, and it would continue to be, because the human beings are the most unique, most complicated, most technical that Allah has created. Cells, a grain of hair, blood, the whole functioning of this human body. And Allah has blessed human beings with the knowledge to research this body. And they will continue to research, because there will always be new understanding and new research.